Assalamu alaikum, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make a simple Afghani burger. Let's start how it made. Start with cucumber. Let's cut him in pieces. You have to cut it in these slices. Now onion. You also have to cut onion like this. Now it's cabbage. You have to cut it in small pieces. We have cut it cucumber, but we have to cut it more. Just like we cut it cucumber. Now we are also going to cut onion. You need to take one naan and then you have to put it on a pan to warm it. You have to warm every part of the naan. As you can see our kitchen. Please leave a like and a comment about our kitchen, and don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon as well. Now you have to add fries in it, which we have already cooked. And for simple Afghani burger you must also need Sekh Kabab. Here it is, the fries. There it is, which has been covered by masalas and chutneys. You will have to make imli chutney for it. And now we are going to add Sekh Kabab next. You have to take Sekh Kabab with salad, a piece of salad paper. Now it's cabbage. Some cucumbers. And at last, the onion. Hope you like this video and like this recipe, and try to make in your home as well, and everywhere you can make. It's a easy and simple recipe. Buy a piece of salad and put some whenever you like a chili garlic ketchup or tomato. We have add chili garlic ketchup. Now we have to roll him in the paper. Roll him. See, mashallah, it's looking really good. Hope the taste will be same as it looking like. Make it two pieces. Wow. Hope you will like our video, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and press the bell icon as well. We are doing our best. Please show some love. Thank you so much.